Hello everybody, it's me Charlotte. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little confusing, especially if you watched my last two videos. This one's going to make no sense. And if the video is kind of wiggling, it's because you are literally on a tripod on my passenger side floor of my car. So every time the car moves a little bit, it's going to move. So I will try not to move around too much. But I wanted to show you guys something that I'm working on. And I know, like I said, in my last two videos, I said, I'm not knitting no more. I'm not crocheting no more. I'm not doing any of that. Well, that was a lie because, wouldn't you know, my cousin, which is like my nephew because I don't have any brothers or sisters. So my cousin, he's my second cousin. He is like my nephew. He's grown up always calling me Aunt Charlotte. So he's having his very first baby, and so I felt obligated to make a blanket. Now, I didn't want to quilt a blanket because I put all my sewing stuff away and I didn't want to get it out of storage. So I decided to knit one, and I came up with my own pattern in my head. I'm going to show you guys what I have done so far, and I'm going to show you the yarn I'm using because I love it. And what else? Also, I would love, if you're interested, to show you, do a tutorial on this pattern. It's very easy and it's, I would say, beginner friendly, and it would be a free pattern. You guys could have it. Just let me know if you would be interested in that. Drop a comment, drop a like. More likes, the more comments, the more people watch, the more it helps me out. So if you're interested in maybe a free pattern for this little blanket I'm going to show you, let me know in the comments below. Okay, I'm going to shut up now and we're going to talk about this blanket I'm going to show you. I don't know if you can really see the detail on camera, but it, like, there is a pattern there. But anyways, this is it. And it's a gradient yarn. Goes from light to dark. Now, this is my second ball. I'm working on my second ball. It is Mandala Gradient in the color, I believe it's steel blue. Yeah, steel blue. And it's really nice. All of the cakes, though, when I got them, they all have the white, the lightest color in the center. So my very first ball, you can see my first ball started out with the light color and moved up. But when I started my second ball, I had to get my yarn winder out and rewind the cake so the darker color was in the middle, so I could just continue on with the darker color, and then it's going to fade out to a lighter color. It makes sense in my head. We'll see how it works out. I bought four of these. I don't think I'm gonna need all four, but yeah, I thought it was cute. Can you see the pattern? I can't tell if you can see the pattern or not because the sun is like blinding me, but there is a cute little detailed pattern. Super easy. Like I said, if you are interested in that free pattern, I would be more than happy to do a little tutorial if you're a beginner, showing you the stitches. Super easy stitches, just knit and purls. And yeah, and I'll show you how to do it, and I'll write the pattern out in the comments, and you guys are in the description, and you guys can copy it and paste it wherever your little heart desires. And yeah, just let me know in the comments below if you're interested at all in that free pattern. And also, I wanted to show you another thing. Again, I told you, I'm done buying yarn, I'm done doing this, I'm done doing that. I'm a big fat liar. There's nothing more else I can tell you. My little dog is sick, so he needed diapers. He's not doing good, but he needed them like right now, like this very day. So I went on Amazon and it said, oh, you can get the same day if you order $25 worth of junk. So I was like, oh, well, I need them today. So of course I was like, what else can I throw in this cart to make me get delivery today? And wouldn't you know, it's this yarn. Now, I have not tried this yarn, but I think it's really pretty, and it's by some country, I don't know, or by some company I don't even know. It's from China, I believe. It's probably from China. But anyways, it's such a pretty colorway, and it's more like string. I don't know if you're interested at all, but I thought it was super soft. I thought I would make maybe another blanket with this yarn. I don't know yet, but I needed the money. I needed to spend the money to get same day delivery for my little doggy. And it was cheaper actually to do that than go to the pet store and buy doggy diapers. Go figure. Okay, that was my video. I came on here basically to tell you that I'm knitting again, and I'm willing to do a tutorial and a video and give away a free pattern for this little blankie right here, little baby blankie. But if you're interested, you have to let me know in the comments. We need like a lot of comments. We need a lot of likes. Like, I have not been making a lot of videos, obviously, and YouTube is kind of like forgotten about me. Like, who is she? Can't blame them. But I need a video, this video maybe, if you would like. A lot of likes, a lot of comments, so it gets out there and maybe I could be relevant again. Maybe. I don't know. But that's my video. Again, let me know. I'm repeating myself. Let me know if you want the free pattern in a video in the comments, and that's all. And I hope you guys all have a beautiful day. The sun is shining. It's finally getting warm, and it's a great day. So I hope you all enjoy your day, and I will see you soon. Again, let me know in the comments below if you want this free pattern. I'll give it to you. Bye.